Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. For a long time, Tesla has proven to be a leading company in the EV industry, not only because of its fleets of electric cars, but also its goal to achieve sustainable energy. The EV maker never falls short in unveiling its incredible innovations, which constantly set it apart into a top position in the industry. Tesla has been on a lot of projects recently. You can never tell what's coming next from them. The company's CEO Elon Musk recently shared a tweet on two big projects that Tesla investors have got to look out for the rest of the year. More details to come, but before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Elon Musk recently revealed that Tesla's got two goals for the rest of the year. According to the Tesla executive, these projects are going to require enormous work to pull off, as well as effort of super talented people. Musk made this announcement via Twitter in August, adding that the company is willing to work with awesome individuals who can do the job. Musk has constantly shared some of Tesla's plans for this year, and also the coming ones. The automaker has revealed numerous timelines for the release and delivery of some of Tesla's projects. While some of these plans seem to be really coming through, others are just not there yet. And now, Musk has added to the number of projects on Tesla's waitlist. But this time, they're coming a bit earlier. Keep watching to find out what the big plan is for Elon Musk and Tesla. According to Musk, two of the major goals for Tesla by the end of 2022 are getting the Starship into orbit and having a wide release of FSD beta. On the 20th of August this year, Tesla sent out the first 1,000 testers for its FSD beta 10.69. Nice. This update was much anticipated by Tesla users, not only because of the new improvements, but also because it had been a while since the last update in May. Tesla's new beta eventually dropped with many new features such as cloud profiles, seatbelt enhancement, a repositioned blind spot camera, and some improvements on navigation energy prediction. Likewise, the update included new visualizations, which are very helpful for anyone testing FSD. This feature displays a blue wall when the vehicle is moving forward, letting users know when the vehicle is expected to stop. One major focus of Tesla's FSD is to enable EVs to navigate through turns quickly, especially in high traffic situations. Although this may take quite a bit of time to accomplish, since even for humans it requires patience and great timing, it's a feat for Tesla to achieve. Following the release of this new beta, Tesla is also planning on releasing new updates on this feature. Although beta 10.69 had a lot of improvements, the company plans to release the beta for 10.69.1 for better energy prediction improvements and newer features. Elon Musk made the announcement on Twitter, adding that Tesla plans to roll out the additional testers with the release of beta 10.69.1. Also, this new update will have a wider release than the current version, although it's not expected to go out to all testers. But that's not all. There's also news of another update, beta 10.69.1.1, which is expected to only include minor fixes for the 10.69.1 beta, since they share many of the same release notes. No doubt Tesla has done incredibly well with its FSD updates. The automaker has successfully added some of the features that it claimed it would, such as improvements in visualization, turn signals, highway driving, and smoother merging, most of which has already been included in its recent updates. For most drivers, it's difficult to avoid collisions when driving. Fortunately though, that's no longer a problem for Tesla owners. The Autopilot team revealed at the CVPR conference that the company has adopted occupancy networks to improve general obstacle detection and enable sophisticated collision avoidance. Speaking on the issue, the team has stated that the new occupancy network will be able to predict geometry occupancy, multi-camera and video context, predict dynamic occupancy flow, and many other interesting features. The team plans to execute this using a 3D technique, since this is much more similar to real life. Little wonder Musk stated the need to not only think about the world in 3 dimensions, but also in a 4th dimension, being time. Many Tesla enthusiasts hope that Tesla will eventually achieve this milestone, just as they look forward to his Starship orbiting, as he said. For a long time, Elon Musk has stated his ambition to build a spacecraft that can safely take humans to Mars. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO had first made this known at a conference back in 2016, and it seems that dream is close to becoming a reality. Tesla bulls believe that there are several other plans for Tesla in the coming years, and Elon Musk confirmed this on a podcast with John Crider, where he stated that there is a third part to Tesla's plans for this year. According to Musk, this plan involves growing the company and expanding sustainable energy. Musk believes that the fundamental detriment of Tesla's transition to sustainability is the rate at which it can grow the output of lithium-ion batteries. He added that Tesla is focused on identifying ways to scale in order to fully achieve sustainable energy economy. It also focused on finding the materials and the ways to turn these materials into batteries. In recent news, Tesla unveiled a new design for its steering wheel. The company had initially added a steering yoke in its Model S and Model X, as well as the Cybertruck with the touch controls replacing the turn signal buttons. But a lot of Tesla bulls and investors were intrigued by this new feature. Interestingly, something bigger seems to be on the way for the automaker, as it is obvious that Tesla is not yet done with modifications to its steering wheels. The new wheel will feature a turn signal, touch buttons on the left spoke, which will be positioned up and down, more like the turn signal stock movements. Luckily for Tesla, certain recent policies have also been enforced to increase the use of electric cars in certain countries. The UK government in August unveiled plans to allow self-driving vehicles on UK roads by 2025. The government's also said that by allowing this technology, they could revolutionize public transport, especially for people who do not drive, and it could help reduce road collisions caused by human error. They also added that the FSD technology and industry could create up to 38,000 jobs and be worth £42 billion. It further announced that the plan is backed by more than a $100 million investment to boost the rollout of these cars, and an additional £34 million for research to support safety and new legislation. This new policy will allow cars, coaches, lorries with full self-driving features to operate on motorways. However, it was stated that manufacturers of these self-driving vehicles will be liable for a vehicle's actions when used in autonomous modes. Similarly, customer-owned Bank Australia announced a self-imposed ban from offering loans on new fossil fuel cars from 2025. The bank revealed that this is in a bid to encourage more people to buy electric vehicles, adding that the move will help to ensure that its lending practices do not lock consumers into higher carbon emissions and increasingly expensive running costs. According to the bank's chief impact officer, Sasha Corville, anyone thinking to buy a new car should consider getting an electric vehicle, considering its impact on climate and lifetime saving costs. She also added that there's no need for a quick switch to electric vehicles, citing that the move will bring a greater range of more affordable electric vehicles to Australia. That is indeed good news for Tesla and other EV companies. With more countries opening their roads to electric vehicles, Tesla can increase its market, deliver more cars, and make more revenue. Since Tesla is a leading EV company and has a robust market outreach, the automaker can easily dominate the EV market in these countries. While there are countries that are starting to encourage the use of electric vehicles, there are also states that have banned direct sales of EVs, like West Virginia, Oklahoma, and Wisconsin, where they do not predict the sale of these electric vehicles, so it may be difficult for Tesla to explore these markets. However, these are only a few obstacles. Tesla is highly focused on plans to improve in all of its sectors, especially in its service. Musk once stated that Tesla has a high demand, and so the car market may be unable to keep up with the increasing demand if there are no improvements in its car delivery. Luckily, Musk has confirmed that Tesla is prioritizing this, so we hope to get some improvement there. Likewise, Tesla has revealed that its Model 3 2023 model and Model Y will have the new steering wheel just as in its semi-truck. Although most of these projects have yet to be achieved, the company's progress is getting there, and it has been incredible. What do you think about Tesla's two big plans for the rest of the year? Should Tesla bulls really look forward to these? Let us know in the comment section, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!